चलिए हम पटना के गांधी मैदान में है और यहाँ गणपति नाश्ता हाउस में दो फॉरेनर नाश्ता पेल रहे हैं। हेलो, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Bill.
बिल? नो बिल, नेम। व्हाट इज योर नेम? नो बिल।
मेरा नाम बिल है।
भाई पैसा के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे, नाम बिल है। क्या खा रहे हो?
कचौड़ी।
ओके, कैसा लग रहा है
ये बहुत टेस्टी है।
कैसा है?
ये बहुत अच्छा है।
अरे भाई ये क्या कर रहे हो? ये विदेशियों से पैसा लोगे? अरे भाई ये अतिथि देवो भव अपने यहाँ का स्लोगन है।
पैसा नहीं लूँगा।
अरे
आप हमारे इज्जत हैं, हमारे देश में आते हैं, हम आपकी इज्जत करेंगे, हम आपसे पैसा नहीं लेंगे। आपके आने से हम बहुत खुश होते हैं।
इसमें आपका नुकसान नहीं, आपका ही फायदा है। मार्केटिंग होगा, धंधा बिक्री ज़्यादा होगा, ठीक है?
Here we have like this letter and then similarly we have this a small introduction to what we are using inside. First of all, we have everything. First thing from the stone and the starting of the modern design.
Uncovering Bihar's past. The Lion Emblem and the Ashoka Chakra, two of India's most recognizable symbols, both emerged out of Magadha, as Bihar was known over 2000 years ago. Bihar's contributions go far deeper than these symbols. Our current governance, religions, the arts, and even other coins have roots in Bihar's glorious past. Bihar's story begins around 4 lakh years ago. History Gallery A explores how the fertile banks of River Ganga became the perfect setting for our hunter-gatherer ancestors. They gradually adapted to their environment and documented their daily lives through paintings in the Kaimur Hills. As the truths of daily survival led to a higher understanding, Bihar witnessed the emergence of thought leaders and philosophical movements. Nearly 25,000 years ago, Gautam Buddha rose as a colossal spiritual teacher, known the world over as the founder of Buddhism. His contemporary Mahavira, the last of 24 Tirthankars, preached the tenets of Jainism. Both created a lasting impact on the social and religious landscape of India and the world. Meanwhile, Magadha grew in political might and became the center of the mighty Mauryan Empire, established by Chandragupta Maurya. His brilliant advisor Chanakya authored the Arthashastra, a detailed manual of running an empire. His work remains relevant even today. The arts flourished under Southern.
Terracotta bangles. The terracotta bangles are made from mud glue, mud basically mud and sand and everything, and you heat them up. Like you heat them up to 1200 to 1500 centigrade. So as you can see, this design, this floral design, this two animals or two humans. These two are around 5.5%.
time for lunch.
मेरा नाम कौशल कुमार है। मैं ओरिजिनली मोतिहारी बिहार से हूँ। मेरी कंपनी का नाम है प्रशाल टेक्नोलैब्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। एक सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी है। हमारा मिशन है कि हम स्मॉल, मीडियम और लार्ज बिजनेसेस को अपने सॉफ्टवेयर सोल्यूशन के माध्यम से उनको हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट दें और उनके काम को आसान बनाने में हम हेल्प करें। जी मैं इंडस्ट्री में करीब 15 सालों से हूँ और मेरे मैक्सिमम क्लाइंट्स US, UK, कनाडा, फ्रांस, जर्मनी और अदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से हैं। और मैंने बहुत लंबा काम के साथ किया हुआ है कि पहले हमारी ऑफिस अहमदाबाद में थी। मैंने दिल्ली से भी काम किया हुआ है। बहुत सारी कंट्रीज विज़िट किया मैंने और बहुत ही अच्छा क्लाइंटेल बनाया है मैंने। और बेसिकली क्योंकि मैं बिहार से हूँ तो एक अंदर से आवाज़ आई कि बिहार से हो आप, बिहार के लिए कुछ करो। तो मैं वापस बिहार आया। यहाँ की स्टार्टअप चालू कर रहा हूँ मैं और हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छे से टीम मेंबर्स हैं। हमारा टारगेट है कि बिहार के बिजनेसेस को हम एम्पावर करें टेक्नोलॉजी से। इसके अलावा हमारा एक और मिशन है कि हम बिहार के जो रिमोट विलेजेस हैं उसमें टेक्निकल अवेयरनेस बढ़ाने में हम काम करें। हम कैंप लगाएंगे बिहार के रिमोट एरियाज़ में जहाँ हम लोगों को टेक्निकल अवेयरनेस देंगे। ऐसा होता है बेसिकली कि जब कोई स्टूडेंट कॉलेज से निकलता है उसको बड़ी ऑफिस चाहिए होती है, अच्छा माहौल चाहिए होता है, ठीक है, तो वो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में जाते हैं। बट एक समय के बाद उनको अपना मदरलैंड याद आता है। जैसे मुझे याद आया, मैं वापस बिहार आया, वो यहाँ लोग अपने हैं, सोसाइटी अपनी है, समाज अपना है, ठीक है, और जो काम हम दूसरों के लिए कर रहे हैं हम क्यों ना वही काम अपने राज्य के लिए करें और यहाँ की इकोनॉमी में हम अपना योगदान दें। इसलिए मैं वापस बिहार आया।
We are immensely pleased and honored to have all of you over here today. I request all three of you to kindly have your respective places. And I would request each one of you to kindly give them a very big hand. Let's have a huge round of applause for their wonderful, wonderful welcome. And I would request each one of you to kindly give them a very big hand. Let's welcome them with a great deal of warmth, with a great deal of love, and a great deal of honor and respect. So we are extremely pleased to welcome the Honorable Chief Guest of this event, Honorable Minister of Science and Technology. And sir, we are truly, truly delighted and honored to have you over here. And on this very exciting note, I would request each one of you to kindly give a very big hand for the entire team of Prashad Technolabs. Let's give them a very big hand. Our country, our nation, India, it has got a very, very wonderful and rich traditional heritage. And according to our traditions, whenever we begin anything auspicious, we begin that by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. So we are first of all going to perform a very auspicious ritual, that is the Deep Prajalan or the lamp lighting ceremony. And in order to do that, in order to perform that, I would like to call upon the Honorable Chief Guest for this event, our Honorable Minister, Science and Technology Government of Bihar, Shri Sumit Kumar Singh Ji. मैं आपसे अनुरोध करूंगी कि आप कृपया करके मंच पे पधारें। एक बार शानदार तालियां सर के सम्मान में। I would now like to call upon our guest of honor, Mr. Thomas, Mr. Gilbert, and Mr. Gilbert Jr. I would request all three of you to kindly come over the stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. And I would request each one of you to kindly give them a very big hand. And last but definitely not the least, I would like to call upon our honorable directors of our company, Prishal Technolab Private Limited, Mr. Ritesh Rai sir, along with Mr. Kaushal sir. I would request both of you to kindly come over the stage. और इतनी कम तालियां हमारे कंपनी के स्तंभ हैं ये, इनकी दूरदर्शिता का परिणाम है कि आज हम लोग सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हैं। तो एक बार इनके लिए तो तालियां आनी चाहिए, थोड़ी बेमिसाल तालियां। Yes. I would request all of you to kindly come forward and perform the lamp lighting ceremony.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
सबसे पहले मैं हमारे नए युवा उद्यमी रितेश राय जी को मैं इसलिए धन्यवाद देता हूँ। वो इस तरह का कार्यक्रम उन्होंने यहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान खास करके बिहार में शुरुआत किया है, क्योंकि आईटी सेक्टर्स में एक तरह से ये कह दी एक नई शुरुआत है और साइबर सिक्योरिटी से लेकर इन तरह की जो परेशानियाँ हैं वो आते रहती हैं। इन सब के सॉल्यूशन और जो भी इस तरह के सॉल्यूशन होंगे आईटी सॉल्यूशन वो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे और लोगों को आईटी सेक्टर्स में जो इंटरेस्ट है जो लोगों को मिल नहीं पाता उचित माध्यम, उसे स्टेज नहीं मिल पाता, वो स्टेज इनके माध्यम से वो लोग देख पाएंगे। युवाओं को एक नया प्रेरणा मिलेगा इनसे और नए काम करने के अवसर से
आईटी सेक्टर में जॉब अब बिहार में भी बढ़ रहे हैं।
डेफिनेटली इसी के लिए देखिए आप विदेशों से भी लोग आ रहे हैं और इनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं उस तरह के कि यहाँ पे भी लोकल में भी मतलब ज़मीनी स्तर पे भी नए रोजगार के अवसर सृजित किए जा सकते हैं।
हम थोड़ा परेशान थे इस बात को लेकर कि क्या हमारे पास उस तरह के हैंड्स मिलेंगे हमारा काम करने के लिए, क्या उस तरह के लोग मिल पाएंगे, जो क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए हमें वहाँ यहाँ मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा। बट जब हमने हायरिंग शुरू की और हमने रिव्यूज़ लिए तो हमने पाया कि लोग बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं। अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की कमी है मैं मानता हूँ, और ख़ासकर जो कोविड एक फेज़ था उसके पहले एक दौर था जहाँ लोग बड़े शहरों में जाना पसंद करते थे, वहाँ रहना, वहाँ काम करना। बट कोविड ने हमें सिखाया कि लाइफ अपने घर पे है, ज़िंदगी अपने घर पे है। तो बहुत सारे लड़के ऐसे हैं जो ठीक है बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, वो वापस आना चाहते हैं, या फिर जो वापस आ चुके हैं बाहर जा नहीं पाए। इन सब लोगों के लिए हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया है, उन सब लोगों को हम मौका देंगे और एक अच्छा काम करेंगे।
A recent study in USA says that there are more people in this world currently that have ever died. I don't know how true it is, but that's a fact. Well, on this note, I would like to start my speech. Honorable Mr. Sir, my friends from USA, Mr. Gilbert, Mr. Gilbert Jr., Mr. Tom, my friends who have flown in from different parts of the country, Pradeep, Rahul, Anjan, my family members, my well-wishers, my friends. Thank you all for finding time and coming here. Now, first of all, I would like to extend my greetings to Honorable Minister Sir to be able to find time in his packed schedule, especially with elections going around. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a ton, and we absolutely are honored to have you here. And let me also tell you, I just got to know it's Minister Sir's marriage anniversary as well. So, congratulations, sir. Now, moving ahead, as all of you might be knowing as well, I would like to talk a little more about sir. Sir is the only independent candidate in assembly right now and also holds a key ministry here. Now this takes me back to my childhood days, and I am talking about an important point. This is not an exaggeration, no formality, just a fact. It takes me back to my school days when I was in standard 9th or 10th. My teacher of civics is here, Anisa is right here. So if you remember, there was a chapter, I don't exactly remember the name, but that meant difficulties of Indian democracy, something like that. And you taught me, and you taught us, all of us, that there are many difficulties, but one major difficulty is that in Indian democracy, the bigger parties, the giants, absolute giants of Indian politics, and their candidates, they tend to eat up smaller parties, and there is no scope for those individuals, those independent candidates. But Tom, please pay attention. Gil, you too, because in USA we often talk. You guys often talk and say that the Indian democracy is quite new, a baby democracy. It's still immature. So please pay attention. But here is a gentleman who fought election on his own as an independent candidate, and not only won the election but also became a minister, the minister of a key ministry. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for our honorable minister sir. Well, when I read all these things as a child, that was just a chapter. And I still remember, I can remember it very clearly. When I went on to cast my first vote, I was 18, I went on to cast my first vote, and it was in 2009, if I'm not wrong. And when I went in to cast my vote, I saw a list of candidates. Obviously, there was that one particular candidate whom I had to vote. There were a few more that I knew about. Apart from that, there were more than 10-15 candidates from different parties whom I didn't even have heard the names of. Forget the candidates, not even the parties. So that is how difficult politics in India is. That is how difficult our democracy is. But hats off, sir. Hats off to you. Moving ahead, I'd like to extend my greetings to my friends, Gil, especially you, Tom, Gil Jr. You guys have flown in, taken such long flight. You have taken the pain to come here, especially in this heat with the temperature soaring above 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for coming here. Thanks, Satan. It means a lot to us. Yesterday I was having a conversation with Tom and Gil, and they were like, why this place? This place is not popular. They have come, Tom has come earlier as well. It's first time for Gil. They have come to Delhi. You know about Mumbai. You have been to Rajasthan, a few more cities in India. But why this place? And I had promised Tom that I'll let you know. I'll tell you about all this tomorrow in my speech. And I feel it's my responsibility for my friends who don't know about this place to tell them the importance of this place. Firstly, the history of this place dates back to 4 lakhs years. I think all of us have been to Bihar Museum yesterday. You were there. And we read that. The history dates back to 4 lakhs years, right from Stone Age to the Mauryan Empire, to the Shungs, to the Guptas, and to the modern world. This is a land that gave world its first republic democracy in Vaishali. This is the land of the great Samrat Ashok. This is the land of great Samrat Ashok, who historically has ruled on the highest piece of land after Alexander. But here is the trivia. A lot of historians, they put him above Alexander because of one fact. And the fact is, whereas Alexander kept winning on one hand, he also kept losing on another hand. But when it comes to Samrat Ashok, the great King Ashok, he never lost an inch in his lifetime. That's the greatness of the great Ashok. Moving ahead, it's a land of one of the biggest mathematicians in the world, Aryabhat, who gave us zero, that digit zero. Imagine if we didn't have that. How difficult would life be? It's the land of India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and many more. And I feel absolutely blessed that I'm born here, I'm from this place, and I have the capacity. God has made me enough capable that I can call you guys here and ask you to work with me at this particular place. Moving ahead, I would like to further talk about Prishal, for which we are all here. I won't go into the technicalities and what the company does. I only talk about the administrative and the establishment part. I still remember about a couple of months back when Kaushal came to me and he was like, let's start an IT company here in Patna. Our first question was, the first thing that crossed our mind was, will we be able to get the kind of people that we want? Are there enough resources? Can we find the qualities that we need? Can we find the qualifications that we want? We are not very sure to start with. But on the other hand, we also had this feeling that we are born here. There has to be a reason God has sent us here. We could have been born in USA. We could have been born in different part of India. But we belong from this place. And this historical place needs us. People from here needs to make this place big. And by God's grace, by my Thakurji's blessings, by Sriji's blessings, when we started hiring, we realized the potential of this place. We realized how capable people are. The young generation, how dynamic they are. The kind of experience they already have. The things that they have already learned. They might not have the platform. A few might be working outside, they might not get that respect. But we are here to give them all that. We are here to provide a platform to our youth, our people, for our people. There is a lot of requirement of a lot of things that come from an IT part in this part of the world. We often talk about Indians doing good, Indians doing great throughout the globe. But out of those Indians, at least half of them are from this place. That's the importance of this place. Now here at Prishal, we won't only make people work, rather we will teach them, educate them, train them in their respective fields. We will try and bring the best out of them. My personal feeling, and Kaushal too would agree, most of you would agree, that the quality of work in general, not only IT, the quality of work in general has gone down. The power of imagination, the power of creation has gone down. People are more into cut, copy, paste. They find something somewhere, they copy it from there, they put here, and that's done. So the endeavor here will always be to create learners out of individuals instead of creating aping brains. And I'm sure with your help, with God's blessings, we'll make that happen. So with this, I'd like to end my speech with thanking you all. Thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.
I would like to thank you to Honorable Minister for joining us and cheer us up on honorable business partners coming from USA, my friends and their families, and the core hard-working team who has strained their nerves to make this day possible. Mr. Kaushal and I have been friends since many years, and after all struggles and hustles, it's a goosebump moment for me when I see him succeeding. See, you can't become a true business person or partner until or unless you have not completed the journey through the friendship. And we have a live example sitting in front of us, Mr. Kaushal and Mr. Ritesh. See, if you wanna know who your real friends are, start your own business and ask him for the support, right? And I'm sure that Mr. Kaushal and Mr. Ritesh are the best set of example of friendship. See, I'm glad that we are giving our contribution to grow Bihar and of course our India by exporting IT services. I am handling MNC projects as well as waste to energy projects and water treatment plants, and I was struggling a lot back in 2 to 3 years before, when there was lack of management through these softwares, and I asked for the help to Mr. Kaushal, and he came up with the extreme good solution, and now everything is smooth and fine. So in a nutshell, after so much struggle which he has been doing, now is the day he has achieved a wonderful milestone, okay, with the grace of God, blessings of family. I'm glad that he is sitting at this position. मैं थोड़ी हिंदी में बात करना चाहूँ तो ऐसे बात कर सकता हूँ कि ईश्वर की कृपा जो है, अगर वो ना मिले अपने एफर्ट्स में तो वो भी संभव नहीं है, राइट? लोग बोलेंगे कोई एक अचीवमेंट हासिल करने के बाद या कोई भी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन को एक त्राहित व्यक्ति के तौर पे देखने के बाद कि भाई ये तो लकी आदमी है, ये तो लकी इंसान है, राइट? बट एफर्ट प्लस अपॉर्चुनिटी इज इक्वल्स टू लक. अगर आपके एफर्ट है, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, देन यू कांट फाइंड अ लक. अपॉर्चुनिटी है बट आपने वो योग्यता हासिल नहीं की है जो आप में होनी चाहिए, राइट? तो यस, ऑफ कोर्स वो योग्यता फाइनली मेरे मित्र कौशल में आ गई है. एंड आई होप दैट he succeed very well till the death part, right? And मैं एक मुहावरा कहना चाहता हूँ कि विघ्न आएंगे, बहुत ऑब्स्टेकल्स आएंगे, बहुत परेशानी आएंगी, क्योंकि बिजनेस इज बिजनेस, राइट? जॉब तो नहीं है, मंथली सैलरी लेके आप कंफर्ट जोन में जी सको. सो उसके ऊपर एक लिखा गया है कि दो पंछी एक पेड़ की डाल पे बैठे थे आराम से, और कोई एक शिकारी आया और तीर चलाया उसके ऊपर, तीर ताना. तो वो दो पंछी के बीच की आपस की कन्वर्सेशन हुई कि भाई तू उड़ जा, मैं रुकता हूँ, भले मेरा शिकार हो जाए. तो दूसरा पंछी बोलता है कि नहीं, तू उड़ जा, मैं मर जाऊँगा. एक दूसरे के लिए जान देने के लिए, कुर्बान होने के लिए तैयार है. और उसी दौरान वो जो शिकारी था उसको एक सांप आया और उसको डस दिया. तो बोलते हैं कि उड़ जान की बात सिचान ग्रही, तब खींच के बान रहो भिलरी, बपरी हुलरी पियो से बनवो, जब आयो है मरनो तो समरो हररी, तब काल के काल को भोरिंग डस्यो. काल कौन था? पंछी थे. उसका काल बन गया ये शिकारी, क्योंकि वो सांप उसको काटने आया था. उड़ जान की बात सी चानक रही, तब खींच के बान रहो बिलरी, बपरी हुलरी पियो से बनवो, जब आयो है मरनो तो समरो हररी, तब काल के काल को भोरिंग डस्यो, दगा बाज को बान लगो सररी. वही शिकारी को वो सांप डस दिया और वो जहर से मर गया. जिनको रक्षक गोपाल धनवंत, उनको काहू बलवंत करे. तो हमारे साथ ईश्वर है, हमारे साथ हमारे बुजुर्गों का आशीर्वाद है, आपके साथ मेरे जैसा दोस्त है. अब ज़रूर सक्सीड होंगे. और थैंक यू सो मच. ये आई वॉज नॉट प्लान्ड एंड आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस स्क्रिप्ट, सो प्लीज़ पार्डन माई इंग्लिश एंड माई स्क्रिप्ट फॉर दिस इनफॉर्मल स्क्रिप्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much. Mr. Parmar.
I deeply appreciate that you're being here and giving us your precious time and coming here. So we have put this together, this event, and this wouldn't be possible with Mr. Gale and Mr. Tom. And I and Kaushal, like being in this industry since like more than 10 years, and like I have an employee like around 50 agents, and I used to work with some other person before Kaushal. So like I was facing a lot of problem in my software wherein I was not able to give any proper service to the customers. Alright, so all the customers like was going to other clients. So some way I met online to Mr. Kaushal, and I told him to meet me before I start working with you. So I came to Bombay, and Mr. Kaushal also be there. We met in the hotel, we had a meeting, and he suggested me to do in this way and that way. I'll give you my own software. Then when he gave me his software, like it was like fabulous. Like the CRM was like in such a way wherein I just need to upload the data, and my all agents used to get all the information automatically in that CRM, wherein I used to get the customers whole information like first name, last name, address, phone numbers, and everything. So it was really amazing to work in that software, and I started paying him like double, wherein I used to pay like less, and now like that is really amazing, and I start working very good. I used to get very eager like what to do, because I need to pay the salary to the 50 agents who was working with me. I was like totally down. So after meeting Kaushal, my software, everything was working perfectly, and I was able to work in a right path. So it's really, I really appreciate Kaushal to be with me since 10 years. And that's it. Everything is working fine now, so good to go. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thanks a ton, Mr. Khan.
For all the hospitality that you've shown us all. I travel a lot. It's probably my favorite thing to do, and I've never been shown the level of hospitality that I've seen from you guys. It's amazing to me. I wish that my own country was even half as hospitable as you guys have been with us. It's been an amazing few days, very tiring few days, but there's nothing that we wouldn't have done to make sure that we were here. I know Kaushal and myself, we met randomly actually. I was looking for something on Facebook for a dialer, and I found a call center campaign group, and then I responded to somebody, and that somebody knew Kaushal, and then we ended up getting in touch, and that was in 2019, I think. Since then, we've done like 3 or 4 different businesses, all where he's been a fundamental part of their success. Actually, like none of it would work without him. He's the backbone of all of our companies, with keeping the phones going. Just a great guy. We met again. I think we met in person for the first time in 2021 or 2. In Dubai in 2022. We've been working together for a while. Talking 6 out of 8 hours of the day. Most of the time with me panicking, please help on the dialer. And luckily he's an expert. But yeah, we were lucky enough to actually get to meet in person back in 2022 in Dubai. He showed me an amazing time there. He took me on a helicopter ride around Dubai. I mean, wow, it was great. And then we got to come again last June. Last June we were able to come again and meet again. But I had no idea. It's complete luck, that we met. But like somebody else was saying a few moments ago, everything happens for a reason. You meet so and so because of this and this, and everything progresses. But it's been a very good friendship that we've made. So many other people that we work with now, because he knew them, or I knew them, or however it goes. It's been amazing. I know whatever they do, they've done a ton of hard work, with getting everything set up. I'm sure this is going to be extremely successful in everything that they do, and everything will go really well. And I'm just glad that we can be any kind of part of that. That whatever we can do to help with the success of the company, that we do so. Thank you again very much. I'm not the best public speaker, but I really appreciate it. Again, I can't thank you guys enough for all the love that you've shown us since we got here. I'm speechless. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Kushal. So I had the honor of meeting. I never met him in person until I got here today, 2 days ago. Tom introduced me to Kushal, and it's been great. He's been the backbone of every business I've been involved in. Always there. We've had many hours on the phone talking, and through our panic moments, he's always guided us through. Honestly, I can say, not because he's here and because I'm in front of all of you, he is the best. He honestly is the best. So I don't travel a lot like Tom. The United States I've gone a little bit far out of the United States, but I have not gone far from the United States. And when Kushal asked me to come here, and that told me how important it was, there was no doubt that I was going to make this trip for him, for everything he's done for us. And I'm very honored. I mean, his heart is huge, and I've noticed he surrounds himself around the same type of people. I want to thank you very much for the hospitality and the warm welcome that you guys have given us, and welcoming us into your family here, or your friends. So thank you very much. I look forward to what we're going to do together with this and our plans that we've spoken many hours about on the phone. So I can't wait for those plans to come to fruition, and can't wait to come back to India. But thank you very much. It's a beautiful country, and very honored to be part of it here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gilbert.
I know my dad said that he was unprepared, but I'm really unprepared. I had no idea they were going to call me up, but since I got here, everyone's been a lot nicer than they are in America. The hospitality, like Tom and my dad said, it's amazing. Never experienced anything like it. I mean, I was born in America, I've been there forever, so I never really had any experience in other countries, but I could say the hospitality here is a lot better than America. I met Kushal not that long ago through Tom and my dad, and I've only heard great things. Like, my dad will come home panicking, and Kushal's always there to help him do it no matter what it is. My dad always talks about how great Kushal is, and he's like, we're making this trip to India. Even though my dad doesn't like to travel, he said Kushal's important, helps him a lot, so he's going to come here. I know Kushal is going to help me in the future in setting up the RVM system, so thank you for that. I know we were talking about that right before I came, and I hope to grow that in the future, grow a lot. That's really it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And before you take a leave from the stage, I would request you to remain with us for a couple of minutes. And I'm deviating from the flow of the event. But I guess this is for the very first time you are coming to Bihar, Patna, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So how are you feeling right now?
It's great.
Great.
Amazing.
Okay. Are you loving the kind of ambience, the kind of people who are in Bihar?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying that?
Yeah, I love it, and the food it's new. It's
Have you had litti chokha?
not yet.
No. Okay. Just make sure that he has one. Yeah. Pakoda.
They're making me try all the spicy food. It's an experience for sure. It's an experience for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mr. Thomas, thank you very, very much. Mr. Gill, thank you very, very much. Junior, you're doing well? Abhishek, give me a hug. And thank you very much, Sir Minister, sir. Thanks for being here. Ritesh, I'll tell you something about later. Satyam, my father, my mother, my auntie, Mr. Pradeep, thank you very much. Mr. Sanjay, how are you? जब भी कुछ अच्छा होता है, एक ऐसे शख्सियत यहाँ पे हैं, या तो सबसे आगे रहते हैं या सबसे पीछे रहते हैं, ठीक है? इसी आदत को कंटिन्यू करते हुए मैं सबका ध्यान देना चाहूँगा अनिल सर की तरफ। एक किसी भी इंडिविजुअल के उत्थान में सबसे ज़्यादा महत्व उसके टीचर का होता है। अनिल सर हैज़ बीन माय टीचर सिंस ग्रेड 8। बहुत कुछ सीखा हमने उनसे, अच्छे बुरे दिनों में साथ रहे हैं, बहुत सजेशन दिया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। सर जल्दी आइए, पैर छूने हैं। Everyone, huge round of applause for Anil sir.
यह देश गुरुओं का देश है, आप जानते हैं, और गुरु का नाम तभी होता है जब चेला बुलंदी भी होता है। गुरु द्रोण इसलिए गुरु द्रोण है कि उनका चेला अर्जुन था। बस यही है, चेला की बुलंदी ही गुरु की सफलता है।
धन्यवाद सर। Mr. Pratik from Gujarat, thank you very much for coming. Mr. Rahul, सबसे लंबी फ्लाइट की थी, except guys from US, 15 hours, right? Mr. Ranjan, thank you very much for coming. टेक्निकल बंदा हूं मैं, बातें करना नहीं आता, काम करना आता है। लेकिन आज कुछ ऐसी मजबूरी है जो 5-10 मिनट तो आपका खराब करूंगा यहाँ पे मैं, ठीक है? काम चालू करने, सॉरी, बातें स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा माननीय मंत्री श्री सुमित कुमार सिंह का। मुझे पता है सर आप बहुत बिजी रहते हैं, बट फिर भी आपने इतना ऑर्डर दिया हमें कि आप यहाँ पे आए हैं, विच इज़ लाइक अ बिग डील फॉर अस सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। Also, like Gil, I know your comfort zone, right? You never leave your house. You know, you want to drive in a good car, in the good weather. Here it's hot, right? And the summer is bad for you because, you know, it gets hot. You know. Thank you for coming here. I'd like to thank Mr. Thomas. I know Thomas from a long time. Thomas, I think I have spoken to you a lot, more than I speak to my wife. Junior, I know like you have several friends there, you know, some other ones as well. But you came here a long way from US. Thank you very much for coming here. अनिल सर को मैं फिर से एक बार कहना चाहूँगा क्योंकि शिक्षक को डबल रिस्पेक्ट मिलना ही चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर फॉर कमिंग हियर। मेरे पापा मम्मी यहाँ पे हैं, बहुत ही सेक्रीफाइस किया उन्होंने, पढ़ाया लिखाया, इस लायक बनाया कि मैं यहाँ खड़ा हो पाऊँ।
उनका भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा और आशीर्वाद देना चाहूँगा। मेरे फ्रेंड्स एंड एसोसिएट्स जो कि बहुत दूर से यहाँ पे आए हैं, और एक अच्छी बात कहूँगा, मैंने इवेंट के लिए जितने फ्रेंड्स को मैंने कॉल किया, नो वन सेड नो। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वैल्यूइंग मी एट दिस लेवल। A company runs with his team, right? A group of individuals meet, they form a company, they work together, साथ काम करते हैं, अच्छी टीम बनती है, बड़े बड़े काम होते हैं, ठीक है? I have my team members here. Team, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Guys, huge round of applause for my team. विशाल को सक्सेस दिलाने में इस टीम का सबसे बड़ा हाथ रहेगा। आई एश्योर यू गाइस। थोड़ा अपने बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। 15 साल पहले जब मैं पास आउट हुआ, सोचा लाइफ में क्या करना है। बहुत कंफ्यूजन था उस समय, कोई डिसीजंस नहीं थे अपने पास, कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं था। तो मैंने सोचा कि भाई अपने को आता क्या है? अपने को आती है टेक्नोलॉजी, इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, ठीक है? तो मैंने सोचा कि भाई काम कहाँ से मिलेगा, ठीक है? जो भी स्ट्रगल्स मैंने किए, मैं ये इसलिए शेयर करना चाह रहा हूँ। सेम स्ट्रगल्स, सेम सिचुएशन औरों के साथ भी यहाँ पे है, which I will come to it in some time. I started freelancing like 15 years ago. My first project was, I was paid like $5. That is like 400 रुपया मुझे मिला था, 5-6 घंटे का काम था, और उस टाइम को मैंने I gave support like for 30 days for $5. वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया मैंने, एंड देन अच्छा काम किया और क्लाइंट जुड़ते गए, कारवा बनता गया और अच्छे रिलेशंस बिल्ड हुए। थॉमस इज वन ऑफ देम। द फर्स्ट paycheck I got from Tom was like $100, right? It's expensive now. I'll double it from today. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में। समय बदल रहा है, तकनीकें बदल रही हैं। एक समय था जब इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन था, इंडस्ट्रीज थी, मशीनें थी, उसके बाद कंप्यूटर्स आ गए, सारी मशीनरी कंप्यूटर ने कंट्रोल करना चालू कर दिया। उसके बाद कंप्यूटर के ऊपर वायरसेस आ गए। हमारा लोग ऐसे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसी है और माइंडसेट लोगों का ऐसा है, टेक्नोलॉजी को अच्छे तरीके से भी लोग यूज करते हैं, बुरे तरीके से भी लोग यूज करते हैं, ठीक है? वी आर द गुड वंस, आई शो यू, ओके? एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ आवर सर्विस इंक्लूड साइबर सिक्योरिटी। बहुत बड़े बड़े कंपनीज में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, फैक्ट्रीज में, इनफैक्ट विद ऑल काइंड ऑफ बिजनेसेस, डेटा थेफ्ट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम, राइट? I have helped a few clients with ransomware protection. So हम लोग उस पर भी काम करेंगे। आज मैं चीज डिस्क्लोज करना चाहूँ रितेश फॉर यू। मैं बहुत खुश था। I was happy, you know, like I was working from home. I had my remote teams, like a big setup, like good AC, you know, काली था नीचे, बहुत मजा आता था, कोई इशू नहीं था वहाँ पे। मैं I was शॉर्ट्स में बैठा था और टॉम से बातें करता रहता था, ठीक है? बट एक बार मैं बिहार आया, तो बातों बातों में रितेश ने मुझे बोला कि ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम बिहार में पैदा हुए हो, एज यू सेड ऑलरेडी, बिहार में पैदा हुए हो। दे आर लाइक, धरती बहुत बड़ी है, राइट? मैं कहीं भी हो सकता था, लेकिन कुछ सिचुएशंस थे जिसकी वजह से मैं बिहार में पैदा हुआ, ठीक है? तो जो काम मैं बाहर कर रहा हूँ, क्यों ना वो काम मैं बिहार में रहकर ही करूँ, ताकि जिस चीज से मुझे लाभ मिल रहा है, बिहार के और भी लोगों को वो लाभ मिल पाए। थैंक यू रितेश फॉर ब्रिंगिंग मी हियर। थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच। अभी नेक्स्ट मैं बात करूंगा कि हमारी जरूरत पड़ी क्यों यहाँ पे। और भी कंपनीज यहाँ पे काम तो चल ही रहा है, राइट? बट काम चल ही रहा है, दौड़ नहीं रहा, ये प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे। बिहार में मैं आता रहता हूँ हमेशा। मैं एक्चुअली रहता था अहमदाबाद, पहले दिल्ली था, और मेरे बाहर के विजिट्स लगते रहते हैं। मैं यूएस भी गया, मैं यूके, दुबई, बहुत जगह गया, बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किया। तो मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि बिहार में एक ऐसी कंपनी की ज़रूरत है जिन्होंने बड़े बड़े चैलेंजेस देखे हैं। वो जो एक्सपर्टीज़ है मैं वो बिहार में लेके आना चाहता हूँ, और चाहता हूँ कि बिहार में जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, कंपनीज हैं, उनको आईटी सेक्टर से हेल्प करूँ, उनको ग्रो करने में अपना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन दूँ। इसके साथ साथ बिहार का जो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक जो सेगमेंट है उसको भी मैं कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करूँ। दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि ये चीज़ मैंने खुद फेस किया है, और पॉसिबली मेरे कुछ टीम मेंबर्स ही फेस करते होंगे, और ये मतलब बहुत सारे लोग फेस करते हैं। बिहार का एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज़ वेरी गुड, लाइक नंबर्स अच्छे ले आते हैं, राइट? like you know, like India में UPS, sorry, I'm very sorry, like IPS, IS, you know, like all the big government positions are filled by Biharis, like in the whole India right now. ठीक है? और आपको ये भी पता है, if you talk about India, जो वर्ल्ड में जो बड़ी कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, उनके सीईओज भी इंडियंस ही हैं आज के डेट में। ठीक है? तो उन्हें ऐसा क्या मिला कि वो इतनी बड़ी कंपनीज में गए और एक कंपनी को लीड कर रहे हैं? मुझे लगता है कि बिहार में इस चीज़ की कमी है। तो हम त्रिशाल को एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाना चाहते हैं जहां हम अपनी एक्सपर्टीज यूज करके अपने टीम मेंबर्स को ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दें जिससे वो ग्रो कर सकें। और मेरे लिए एक बहुत खुशी की बात होगी अगर हमारा कोई टीम मेंबर आगे चल के अपना बिजनेस बिल्ड करता है और बिहार की सोशियो इकोनॉमिक सेगमेंट को इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करता है। आई विल बी द बेस्ट एडमायरर ऑफ दैट गाय। Let me talk about the great things that we are going to do here. Okay. अभी जमाना है AI का। AI means artificial intelligence. काम पहले भी चल रहा था, आज भी चल रहा है, और काम अगर टेक्नोलॉजी में कुछ अपडेट्स नहीं आए, चेंजेस नहीं आए, तो काम तो ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा। बट अभी आ गई है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को हम किसी भी बिजनेस में यूज करके उसकी प्रोडक्टिविटी को बाई 10 टाइम्स बढ़ा सकते हैं with half the cost. Right? Some people are scared that AI will cut the jobs, but I don't think so. Human will always be ahead of the AI. AI can help you, it can assist you, but the actual human factor is never going to be replaced by AI. We'll use AI in our systems, we'll help the businesses, we'll empower them with AI, we'll solve the actual business problems, and we'll help it grow. Our dream is to scale to over 100 employees by the end of this year. Me and Ritesh will be working very, very hard on this. I'm committed to give like 16 hours a day for this, because in daytime I have to work for Prishal, and at night time there are several guilds and several towns that I have to deal with. Okay. Also apart from the business side, 2-3 चीज़ें मैंने देखी हैं। मैंने कई विलेजेस विजिट किए हैं और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें फेस की हैं। सुमित सर विल रिलेट। मेरे ही गांव में एक छोटा इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ। मेरे गांव में मुझे किसी ने फ़ोन किया, बोला कि भैया हमारे बैंक से पैसा कट गया। मैंने बोला क्या हुआ, कितना पैसा कटा? बोला सर 20,000 रुपये कट गया। मैंने कैसे? एक मैसेज आया था, क्लिक किए लिंक पे तो पैसा कट गया। हमेशा होता है सर, आपके पास ऐसे आते हैं कंप्लेंट्स आते हैं, राइट? आई गेस दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ द टेक्निकल एजुकेशन। ओके, some percentage of what the profits of Prishal will definitely use it for the technical education in remote villages. We'll open small time centers, we'll do camps, we'll educate people about the technology, we'll keep them informed and we'll help them, so at least they have a basic knowledge of technology and what's going on right now. So that will be our small contribution to our society. Once again, I need best wishes from each of you here, and if I say each of you, I mean each of you, right? So whatever you are thinking, like multiplied by 10 times, will you do it for me?
Will you do it for me? Thank you guys. Thank you for being here. I love you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kaushal. I would like to thank each and every individual who is present among us right now, today. Thank you so much to all these esteemed guests, our honorable chief guest, our all guests of honor. You people took out your wonderful time, your extremely valuable time in order to be here. It means a great deal for our entire team of Prishal. All of you came over here, took out your wonderful time. So thank you so much for your blessings, for your wonderful presence. And we have got some wonderful food today. I would like to invite each and every one of you for the delectable lunch, which is going to be served in a while. So do enjoy that, and may you have a great evening. Thank you.